Hello, my name is Brent Varner. I am a coordinator for Disability Support Services here at Mississippi State University. Our mission is to provide academic accommodations for students in accordance with the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 and the Rehabilitation Act of 1973. And we do that through the use of a testing center. We provide testing accommodations for students who need extended time. We also have some assistive technologies in place, which I'm going to tell you a little bit more about today. Assistive technologies are vital to students in certain populations for their success in college. So when you're talking about a student with a severe LD, maybe in reading or writing, we'd have smart pens in place that assist those students, that pair the audio with writing, so they can go back and really fill in the gaps that they may have without it. We have a Braille embosser here. We produce a lot of Braille materials for students who are registered with our office with low vision. So what you're looking at is page 1 of some college algebra notes that I prepared for a student. And if you look on the screen over here, you can see that my software has translated it with the sighted words is what you see as the Braille line. So if you're working with a student who is visually impaired and also a student who is sighted, they can both work on the same document. On this document, however, I have not printed out the sighted words, but we do have the capability to do so. This is the Echo Smart Pen made by LiveScribe. This pen is very essential to students to certain LDs, specifically in reading comprehension. We also work with students with dyslexia. We check out these pens for free. To students who are registered with our office, we have about 25 that we can check out to students each semester. What it does is records audio into the pen. You can pull it off onto your computer in an audio file. You can handwrite your notes here in this notebook. And it'll pull off your handwritten notes into a PDF on your computer. If you'll notice, there are also these controls at the bottom of the page, and that will help you to navigate the playback, volume, speed, and things of that nature. It's a very cool piece of technology, 2 gigabytes of storage. And then also, as you can see, it comes with some extra little features, such as a calculator. You can tweak the settings, and it is a very cool piece of technology that we have here at Disability Support Services. So here you'll see a couple of pieces of software that we have available to students. Zoom Text, we have a few copies to check out, and that is a screen reader. And it is a classic screen reader. It will read your screen down. It's typically for students with visual impairments, but we also serve students with learning disabilities with screen readers as well. AviFineReader here is a character recognition software. So when we get a test, for example, a hard copy test that needs to be transcribed into just, let's say, Braille, we will have to scan it in and then use AviFineReader to get it to recognize the characters. Without that, we would have to actually hand type the whole test into the program to be translated. So it saves a lot of time. That's a very great piece of software. Read and Write Gold here, primarily used for students with learning disabilities. It has a lot of features that assist students, specifically with the computer interface. So it also serves as a screen reader, but it can highlight different sections of text, pull that off into a notes document, and things of that nature. It also does speech recognition, and I believe Zoom Text does as well. Okay, what we're looking at here is the DigiWave system from Williams Sound, and what it does is it's specifically for students with hearing impairments. So this device here is a transmitter, and you have a microphone that the instructor would wear on their shirt or lapel, and then you have a receiver here which the student could wear anywhere in class. The transmitter does have quite a wide range, so the student could be sitting in the back of a large lecture hall, and then the student would just put this earpiece in, and they would be able to control the volume, and they would be able to hear clearly everything that the instructor was saying.